sit to Jutah Yo.
I want to score with my classmate. Yeah, man, you know me, I pray. You hear the song where you put out with Dexter Laps in it. Piece of that rhythm, man, because you know, so I push up my career now. And
Well,
yeah, man, we can do it, man. We can do my thing good now, man. But a long time we go to school, and you know, so I DJ from me 9, you know. Thing get perfect, you know, man. So you send me rhythm them in a WhatsApp, man, and me voice and send about the chat, you see it?
Wagwan Jutah.
Alright, let me call them.
No star. Serious man. Membership money done already? Sure. What not going on, everybody? Big up with yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning. First time over here, definitely subscribe. Everybody else don't have to tell no what to do. Click like. So, want to big up Jason Bryant and Faith M. They are our newest members. You understand? So, you know, this video is basically saying that thanks Faith M and thanks Jason Bryant for becoming members. I just equipment a bit, you know. Just equipment a bit, you understand? So, we also encourage persons to join membership. There will be a link in the description. This affords me equipment and full-length movies, you understand? But this is just me, I test out the power of the membership. Cut off kind of fast, you see me? Too strong. Rest of people them. Do the thing. Big up on yourself. Big up Jason Bryant, Faith M. See you now very, very soon.
Jutah Rhyme. Stars some shine with a decent punchline. Hide it. The son of a different side, he thought I told you let them lively step aside. I'm gonna look up piece, you know what I mean? Every rhythm have a beat in it. Every bulla, every bun biscuit and all sweet in it. My fire of eating it. Or someone meditate down, you're too deep in it. Informal leaking it. And the seed where you sow, you're reaping it. Couple gold, who keeping it? Couple better me sleeping it. Aha. What's in a them? Every time I bubble ill have locks in a them. Peacemaker don't tax none of them. Some boy ears, wax in a them. Couple buckle of seed in a them. Couple bathroom Jutah done paid in a them door. 6th grade first seed in a them. Couple jug in a fridge I made. You buck. Son of a different Messiah, we thought I told that I'm lively. I mean I say big up Aki and Lawrence in the world, Jamie Woods, the scene, Richard Brown Flynn. I mean I say you know, say you can find me at Instagram, Jutah Rhyme. Jutah_Rhyme, you see me? Twitter, Jutah Rhyme straight. You know what I mean? Instagram, you don't know, say Jutah Rhyme. Always. Facebook everywhere, you know what I mean? Hide it. I don't know, now see a link on the description, and just follow me on social media, you see me? Subscribe. Press the bell, you see it? Alright.